So this morning I'm working on episode 43 of the podcast, and I can't find a sound effect that I need, so I'm actually gonna do my own little bit of Foley work here. Um, I need like a plate scraping sound, like super mundane, but like I can't find it so online or in my own library or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna do it ourselves. Okay, so we got our microphone, our plate with the remains of yesterday's lunch on it. So we're going to record it. I just need some kind of like fork scraping sounds, like breakfast sounds, basically. Super, super important to horror. But that's what we need. So let's press record. Okay, so that's our super, super quick to do bit of Foley work there. Yeah, should be. This would be like the opening scene of the episode 43, which should be going up like 2 days' time. Yeah, making my own sound effects now, not just getting them off the internet. Cool. See you guys later.